In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate month-over-month growth in Power BI using DAX, a powerful data analysis and visualization tool that is widely used in many industries. So let's dive right in and make this process as easy as possible for you. First up, you'll want to open Power BI. If you haven't already got it installed, you can download it from the Microsoft website, and the installation is pretty straightforward. Once you have Power BI opened up, let's move on to the next step by navigating to the Home tab. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a variety of options. You're going to want to focus on adding a new measure, which is essential in helping us implement calculations across our data. By clicking on New Measure, you essentially create a blank slate where you can define calculations using DAX, Power BI's formula language. It's very similar to Excel formulas, so if you're familiar with those, you'll find this pretty intuitive. Creating a measure is crucial because it allows us to perform calculations dynamically, responding instantly to changes in your data or filters applied in the report. With your new measure ready, let's move on to the next important step, typing in the specific DAX code that will allow us to calculate month-over-month growth. The good news here is that DAX is a relatively forgiving and straightforward language to learn. If you've used formulas in Excel, you'll find this process really similar. While typing out your code, pay extra attention to syntax. A small mistake or typo here could throw off the entire calculation. As you input your code, consider referencing existing measures or columns in your data table. This is where understanding your dataset pays off. Making sure you've got the correct columns ensures that your calculations yield the right insights. You want to capture the flow of growth by comparing this month's sales to the previous month's. So take your time in writing out functions that pull the correct monthly data for this comparison. Once you've input the code, you can hit enter and Power BI will automatically execute the calculation. If you run into any errors, Power BI's error messages are quite helpful in guiding you back on track. Errors might occur due to a typo, perhaps in your column names or function syntax, so definitely double check. Finally, you can visualize your month-over-month growth on a line chart or any preferred visualization tool within Power BI for a clearer and more insightful look at how your data trends over time. With these visuals, you'll be able to draw actionable insights that are critical for making informed and strategic decisions. And there you have it. You now know how to calculate month-over-month growth in Power BI. If this method was helpful to you, please give it a try with your datasets to see how month-on-month variations are performing, and leverage those insights to your advantage. Thank you for watching, and happy data analyzing.